Hello everyone, this is Manjunath Kadalli and today we are going to look out onto the Lambda service inside the AWS console. So this one I'm going to go ahead and create an AWS Lambda. So let's run the code without thinking about the service. So that's good. I'm gonna click Python. I'm going to be using Python program, so just go ahead with creating the function. So function function it's good. Runtime Python architecture x86 underscore 64 configurations, let everything else let be on the default functions. So let everything be as it is. Return status code 200 body. This hello from Lambda. That looks good. I thought I would have to type this, but it's already there. So that is actually good. Just gonna hit deploy. Just deploy test. Choose a segment that I want to create new test. Test time. Hit save. Use my request. Hit save. Successfully saved. So what's output response beautiful. So if there would be a problem, I believe no problems have been detected in this workspace. Output looks good and response says hello from Lambda. So there's one terminal which to run and debug code you should download the function code and AWS SAM template and use SAM CLN local ID integrated development what is integrated development environment. So there you go guys, first Lambda function. You can definitely follow up and learn more on Python and then develop the code further as per the business requirements and any other requirements the project requires.